The government of Meghalaya, in association with MyMeg, a program to foster transparency and encourage participatory governance to sustain the speed of development, celebrated Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav with the launch of Indigeneous version of the national anthem made by a group of native musicians and artists using ethnic and locally used instruments. The video has wowed the audience on the internet. Since its launch on the eve of 76th Independence Day, the anthem has gone viral on the internet and across social media platforms. The anthem captures the progress that Meghalaya has made in the past 5 years.